cause I'm lonely. Hopefully you. Hello and welcome back to a new video. It's Gisela Gisla. If you're new here, you're officially a Gizzard, and if you're old here, we're locked in and we're besties, period, per. Okay, so today I'm so happy I'm changing my hair, and thank you so much Wiggins for sponsoring this video. We got these bundles from Wiggins and everything will be linked in my description box, so please make sure to check that because you get the link straight to the hair I'm about to show you. They sent us this 24-inch body wave bundle to try on, and so I'm just going to take you guys through what we have in the box and then we can go install this hair. Okay, so this is the hair bundle, and as you can see the HD lace is right here, and I always play it safe because I don't know my cap size, so I always get the medium cap size and it fits perfectly well. And as you can see, it also has the HD lace written here, and it's a 24-inch body wave. This is what the hair comes looking like, and then I'm just going to take this off. Before we install it, it comes already curled. This is it. It came already curled, and then it has the HD lace right here. I'm just going to show you guys this way so you can get how much of an HD frontal it is. HD. And then it's already parted with the middle part. Actually, if I knew how to fix or install my own wig, this would have been very easy for me to do because everything is done. I just had to put it on my head. And then it also came with the two-piece HD wig cap, and this is the shade it came in, which also matches my shade very well. And then we have some 3D eyelashes. This is so cute, very cute. And then we have the Wiggins hair band to just tie down my lace and then melt my lace as well. And then we have the comb, yeah, for the edges. Lovely. And then there is the Wiggins hair bag, satin bag, to keep the hair in whenever I decide to take it off and just keep it for another day or another install. So yeah, let's get right into the installation process. I'll take you guys through everything, so let's get right into it.
So I had my hair washed before this install, and then we're just going to get the cornrows in. I know I need to get my hair relaxed. It's been a while since I even tried doing that. So for starters, we got the cornrows in and braided my hair down just so we could get this wig on my head as soon as possible. After we got the cornrows in, he wiped off my forehead and then used this adhesive spray to push my hair all the way back so we can make more space for the HD lace. Yes, the HD lace. And it was finally time for the wig. Look at how juicy and delicious those curls look. And then let's just get into the lace. I was super happy when he put this on my head because it was giving skin. This wasn't tinted or anything by us. It came like this, and then he just went ahead to trim off the lace to my hairline. This wig already came plucked, but I wanted some different type of hairline, so I had him pluck it again. But I could have worn it like that if I wanted it that way. So that's what he's doing right now, just plucking it. And look at that. I just like, it was just giving skin, it was giving edges, it was giving natural hair. Like, guys, this is my natural hair. You can't even tell me nothing, okay? You can't tell me anything. So he went in with the glue about 3 times and then used the derma blade to spread it over, and then used the blow dryer to dry it off a bit before we could just like put the lace on my forehead. And that's exactly what he's doing here. And then he pushed everything back with the comb. Look, I know we're not done, but I was starting to feel myself already because this wig was going to eat down. Okay, now we went back into trimming the lace because it was just doing too much on my forehead. And then we had to, get that natural look as well. Okay, so this is kind of like the grand finale because he just had to use the wax stick on the pattern and then he used the hot comb, and this was what the hair was given. I love this hair so much. Even though we were playing with it a lot of times, the curls were still bouncy, it was still juicy. We melted the lace, everything was just giving what it was supposed to give. And I mean, look at that, just look at that, the curls were just giving what it was supposed to give. So soft, so bouncy, and this was after we had passed our hands in the hair way too many times, so we had to recurl it. And I'm going to show you guys exactly what it looked like after we curled it and before I decided to layer it. So you can either layer it to have that look, or you can leave it like this to have this look. I don't think this is bad at all. I actually love this one, but I was also really craving that layered body wave look and that clay pull show right after this. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you're looking for the details of this hair, don't hesitate to check my description box. Everything you need to know is right there, and the link that will lead you straight to these bundles is also right in my description box. So I'll see you guys in my next video.